Side note, one of the things I love is simply doing nasal breathing. I got my little nasal breathe thing in through this while I work, while I do Zoom calls, coaching calls, helping people online. I breathe this in 15 minutes and I literally feel like it's Mother Nature's greatest nootropic. It enhances my prefrontal cortex application for whatever I'm working on. It puts me in flow states. Part of that could be my own belief system. Of course, 65% of everything is placebo. But outside of that, I don't feel this with a lot of other things, you guys. So if you're looking for more focus, looking for, it just looks cool too, sitting here, doesn't it? If you're getting a lot of EMF damage or you're worried about all these other things that are happening, these new technologies and these frequencies, these waves that are hitting us as human beings, you may want to check out things like this so that you're not getting so much oxidative stress.
Quick learning. I help people to learn quickly. I'm a brain optimization coach, and one of the resources that I use is NanoV. It's kind of like almost like a secret weapon or secret superpower, and I use it to help me to write, to get in those kind of states where I need mental clarity, I need to improve my focus. Also been using it recently to help with right before I go to sleep. It helps me get a higher quality of sleep, which is always good for your brain. And so, love my unit and get so much value out of it. And it's about change your brain and you change your world. Absolutely.
Hey guys, Josh Mason here from the Detox Dudes. I am insanely impressed with the NanoV. This is the NanoV EXO, and I've been using it every day for 2 weeks. The second I wake up, my body immediately craves it. My body, my mind, my spirit gravitates towards it. If I ever don't want to meditate, I use this machine to force me to meditate, because I put it on and I'm just sitting here, and so I end up meditating every morning. So there's a double win there. But I feel a sense of peace, of clarity, of regeneration in my brain. It's done something for me that I don't think I've ever found any other machine do. Other machines tend to like detoxify my body, or if I'm really stressed, I don't feel like using a lot of machines because they throw me a little further off balance. This machine, it's a miracle. I don't even understand the true science of it. I'm just learning about it in its full. But this machine is definitely doing something on a repair level, on a DNA level. It is harmonizing. It's not a deep detoxification process, or it's not throwing me off balance. I can use this machine anytime, at night before bed, in the morning when I wake up, while I'm working. Like, there honestly doesn't seem to be a bad time to use it. So any true biohacker, anyone who's really on a journey of healing, of awakening, of cellular repair, the NanoV is mission critical. The first time I ever used it was about 5 years ago. I used it for 15 minutes and I felt like almost like I was on drugs in a very subtle way. And I was asking the doctor, like, what is that thing? And I talked about it. And now 5 years later, I got one of my own, and it's the same experience, a subtle increase of lucidity, peace, calm, and just this feeling of regeneration. It's hard to describe, but anyone who's really in tune with their body and the subtleties are going to absolutely love and value what this machine does. So again, highly recommend the NanoV. I'm definitely impressed, and I'm still learning the science because it's a miracle. So, okay, talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.